72. Self-adjusting PTO snow blower installation guide. Open the shipping crate. Take out all the parts from inside. Open the document tube and grab the manual. Remove the lifting ring and screw it into the threaded hole in the middle of the machine. Lift out the main unit out and prepare for assembly. Take off the chute linkage. Install the chute cover. Install the chute hydraulic cylinder and tighten the bolts. Notice, make sure the grease fitting faces outward and the telescoping rod points downward. Mount the snow chute onto the main unit. The stop block should be on the left side. Use hardware pack-up. Install the guide wheels on both sides of the chute. Note, both guide rollers must clamp the chute snugly and securely. Use hardware pack B. Install the chute drive pump. Ensure the drive pump gear meshes properly with the chute gear. Connect the bent hydraulic hose to the drive pump. Use 2 wrenches. Hold the swivel fitting steady while tightening the hose. Attach the straight hydraulic hose to the chute cylinder. Lubricate the hydraulic cylinder bearings. Only a small amount of grease is applied at the factory. All bearings marked with a lubrication label need grease. Note, protective cover removed for demonstration purposes only. You don't need to remove it. Remove the turning shaft, the limit pin at the top of the clutch end. Make sure the beveled side of the pin faces down and inserts into the spline groove. Lie the clutch end of the drive shaft into the keyway. Insert the pin sideways and tighten the nut. Connect the assembly to the tractor linkage. Attach the drive shaft to the tractor's PTO shaft to press the top safety lock. Connect the hydraulic hoses to the tractor. Test everything before you start: chute rotation, limits, opening, closing, and snow blower operation. If all works smoothly, the unit is ready for use.